The old mockingbird's mad at me. Got a nest of babies here, and every time I get near this bush, she comes flying down at me. Right there's the nest. Act like I'm gonna try to reach it. Watch her, she'll come flying after me. Whoa. Oh. Gosh, I better get away. These mockingbirds are mean. Got 3 little babies, I think 4 little babies up there. Anyway, let's do a garden check right quick. Shut up. Lord, Lord. Lord, I picked so many peas, it's pitiful. I'm getting plenty of peas. Everything's coming along pretty good. Got my tomatoes coming up. Growing good. Zucchini, squash. I got to mow the yard today. Hey, Lord. Push mowed last night. Oh, they cut a shine. Hey, Lord, I better quit. Stop aggravating. But I got my motor running, folks. I mean, my lawnmower. Lord, I've had to do a lot of work on it. Last time you seen it, it's all greasy and everything's messed up on it. And had to put new fuel line on it. Had to put a cutoff switch on it. Another fuel filter. I cleaned it out. Cleaned the carburetor out. I put deck wheels on it from old Wizard deck up there in the building. I took him off, put me some deck wheels on it. I'm going to try to mow with it a little bit today and see what it'll do. Yeah, I got it running fairly good. It's when I first started running it, started it up, man. Whew, for a while there, you had to choke it to keep it running, but it's running better every time. I'm running some carburetor stuff through the gas, and it's running better every time. Let's see if I can start it up here.